Go get it. The verb get is a very confusing verb, but it's also a very important verb. The simple form for get is get. The past tense is got. The past participle is gotten or got. And the present participle is getting. If you look in a dictionary, the verb get has many, many different meanings. In this video, I'll show you the main reasons for using the verb get. The verb get means to understand something. If someone asks you, "Do you understand?" you can answer by saying, "Yes, I get it." Or if it's negative, "No, I don't get it." This is not easy to get. The verb get is similar to the verb become when something changes. I'm getting sick. I'm becoming sick. I'm getting sick. It's getting cold outside. It was warm and now the weather is changing. It's getting cold. She got angry. Something happened and her attitude changed. You'll get tired if you don't get enough sleep. In this sentence, the verb get is used two different ways. Here, you'll get tired, you'll become tired, and then here, if you don't get enough sleep, get in this part of the sentence means to receive. You'll get tired if you don't get enough sleep. Use get when you lose your way. I got lost. This is in the past tense. So you can use this with any pronoun. You got lost. He or she got lost. You can even use it with a thing. It got lost. Use get in place of the verb travel. One person asks, "How do you get to school?" And another person answers, "I get there by bike." The preposition by is often used for travel. We got there on foot. This is walking. You can't get there by car. You can't travel there by car. The verb get is similar to the verb arrive. What time do you get to school? So this is very similar to arrive at. And this is in the present tense. The answer is, I get there at 7:30 in the morning. This question is in the past tense. What time did you get there? This word is often used with the time and the location. What time did you get there? And the answer is also in the past tense. I got there at 7:30. When you get something, you receive it. It comes this way. I got a check in the mail. This is in the past tense. She got a phone call. This is also in the past tense. In the future, we are going to get some rain. Get is often used for precipitation or some type of weather. Rain, snow, heat, cold. And here's the past tense, negative. He didn't get his order. So this could be a food order or some kind of package. The verb get also means to go and bring back. I need to get some milk. So I need to go to the store, buy the milk, and bring it back. Let's get a pizza. Let's go to a place, order the pizza, and bring it back. The dog got the ball. I threw the ball. The dog went after the ball and brought it back. Go get it. Go to a place and bring it back. Whatever this is. Go get it. Go get it. Use get for meals or food. Let's get breakfast. This means to go to a place and order the food and eat it there. Are you getting lunch? Are you ordering lunch? We got dinner at a Chinese place. We ordered dinner, we got dinner. The verb get means to catch or capture. The police got the suspect. So they captured or caught the suspect. I went fishing and got 3 fish. I caught 3 fish. I got 3 fish. In this sentence, the subject matches this verb and this verb, went and got. Use get when answering a door or a phone call. Get the door or get the phone. The phone is ringing. Get the phone. And you can say, I'll get it for either a door, your front door to your home, or for the phone. If there's a phone ringing in a room, this would be a shared phone. It might not be your phone. You can use get when a person has an opportunity to do something. He gets to meet, here would be the main verb, and then here's the person. He gets to meet the president. Or he gets to go to Brazil. This is an opportunity to go to Brazil. To make this past, just use got. He got to go to Brazil. He had that opportunity. You can use the verb get in place of the verb be when there's the passive voice. So here's the verb be, am, and the past participle for the verb pay. I'm paid on Friday. Or I could say, I get paid on Friday. The team was defeated by another team. I can change this is the verb be in the past tense, to got. The team got defeated. The car is being fixed. This is in the present continuous tense. So just have to change this to getting. The car is getting fixed. Someone is fixing the car. The car is getting fixed. It's very popular to form the passive voice with the verb get, but it's not always possible. Normally use be, and then the main verb is in the form of a past participle. She was hired. Somebody hired her at a company. Change this to the past tense. She got hired. The flowers weren't delivered. You can change this to get, but in this case, you'd have to use the helping verb did with not, and then get. The flowers didn't get delivered. Get is part of many different phrasal verbs. Add prepositions to get to form a phrasal verb. These have many different meanings depending on the preposition. Some of these have more than one meaning. If you do a search on my channel, you should be able to find many of these there. Use get as a causative verb when someone else does work for you. I'll get them to clean up this mess. After the verb get, you're using an object pronoun. This is the plural for they. I'll get this cleaned up. After the verb get, then here's a pronoun, and then this word is a past participle. I'll get this cleaned up, or I'll get this cleaned. Someone else will do the work. Have got together mean have. I've got, this would be for the present, and then the thing goes here. I've got a guitar. I have a guitar. I've got a guitar. Have got to means must. I've got to, and then the verb goes here. I've got to go. Sometimes when a person speaks quickly, you won't hear the contraction. Instead, it'll sound like I gotta, and then the main verb. I gotta go.